Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Surya. Today I will tell you about how to convert different from JPG, PNG, BMP, PDF in the Word format free online. This is the one of sample Word format and PDF document. First of all, click on i2ocr.com in search engine web browser, then we will see here I2OCR Optical Character Recognition that extract text from image and scan document. It can be edited, formatted, indexed, searched or translated. 100 more recognized language. Multi-column document analysis. 100% free. Unlimited uploaded. No recognition. It has own feature. Here is some question and then answer about I2OCR. What is the maximum input image size? Up to 10 MB. How much is the service? 100% free. Like this. Does the service recognizing handwriting? No, only type written text. There are some research work out regarding this matter, but not satisfactory result yet. How to convert image to the editable text? For this, choose the language your image text. I have chosen Nepali language because the image text in the form of Nepali language. We have the two options, file uploaded or URL. Select image. Third step, you can click and red button extract text. Recognizing text, it takes some second. Completely done. This right side is the image form and the left side is the editable text. We can edit or delete this text. We can download or copy the text and paste in Word format. Paste and edit. Similarly, we can download the converted form as different form. Image to Word. This editable form. Similarly, we can convert PDF to Word. For this, click on PDF OCR and choose your document. First of all, confirm the language. Select the PDF document. File is uploaded. Concept learning through experiment PDF. Third step, click on PDF to image, extracting the image. Fourth step, extract the page text or download the text. We can download the text at docs form. This is the converting file from PDF to the Word editable. We have the two column, right side PDF file and left side converting Word file. We can copy or download this file and we can edit Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have learned something about I2 OCR. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Surendra Matic.